Okay, so I've had a few emails this afternoon with questions about how we did the division with the base 10 blocks in class. So I'm making this video to just kind of remind everybody exactly how we did it. So, first remember we need to model our dividend, which is this number right here. This is our dividend. So we model it by drawing a 100 block. So that's our 100. We've got 5 tens blocks. Okay. Then we need to draw our 6 ones. Okay, so now we've modeled our dividend. Now, using our divisor, we have to make 12 rows of 100. We have to make rows of 12. There we go. We have to make rows of 12. So I'm going to redraw my 100s over here. I'm going to cross that out. Okay, so how do I make rows of 12? Remember, this 100th block is 10 by 10. That's the dimensions, okay? So how do I make this be equal to rows of 12? I need to take 2 of my 10 blocks and put them underneath. So now I've got 10 rows of 10 plus 2 rows of 10. So that gives me a total of 12 rows, 10 rows of 12, excuse me. But now I'm left with 36 blocks. And I need to make groups of 12. So how do I make groups of 12 with 3 tens and 6 ones? Well, first, let's see. I'm going to take a 10, and I'm going to take 2 ones to make 12. Okay, and so I crossed them out because I've used them. I'm going to do it again. A 10 and 2 ones. Again. A 10 and 2 ones. Okay, so now I've made 3 more groups of 12. I'm going to add them up here next to my rectangle. So that I have one big rectangle. So if you imagine these were physical blocks, this would be all one shape right now. Okay, because I put all the blocks together. So now we have to see how many total groups of 12 I have. So we had 10 groups of 12. That's what's right here. Okay. That's what this is. This is 10 groups of 12. We added 3 groups of 12, right? That's what this is. 3 groups of 12. So I added 3 groups of 12. Now remember I said in class, to find the quotient, you now just add what you have on the top. We have 10 plus 3. So our quotient is 13. Therefore, 156 divided by 12 equals 13. Okay, and so for the parents who don't think that this is a valid method, let's just try it. We'll check it. 156 divided by 12. How many times does 12 come into 15? Once. 15 minus 12 is 3. How many times does 12 come into 36? 3. 12 times 3 is 36. Okay? So, in that same thing, how many times does 12 go into 15? We got a 1. We made 10 groups of 12, right? So this is in the tens place. This one right here is in the tens place. Then, we made 3 groups of 12. Okay? Our 3 is in the ones place. You add 10 and 3 together, you get 13. Okay? So if you still have questions, come see me before school. I should be in my classroom by 7:15. Okay? Have a wonderful evening.